Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select extrude, select the front plane, create one circle, give the dimension 80 mm, select line, create one rough sketch, create one center line, give the dimensions 28 110, overall height is 110, this dimensions is 28 and 32, 28, 32, here to here, 40 and 80, 112, 40, 80, 112, here to here the overall length is 160 mm. Select all lines, we can do mirror. Select mirror entities, mirror about center axis, one line is missing, here add this line, okay. Trim entities, trim this line. So select line, create line like this side also, so finish sketch, select this and this, here select mid plane, length is 75 mm, select sketch, extrude, select this and this, mid plane, the distance is 15 mm, Control 7 for ISO view. Next holes is there, dia 6.6 mm, select hole wizard, simple hole, ISO drill sizes, dimension drill diameter is 6.6 mm, through hole, select the positions, give the dimensions 10 mm, this is also 10 mm, here to here 10. Now give the constraints, horizontal, here to here horizontal, give the vertical, so sketch is fully defined, finish. Next, select the fillets, dimension not there, we can give 5 or 3 mm. So that's it friends, this part. You can assign the material here, select chrome or okay, I will select chrome. So you can edit appearances, so you can assign as per your requirements. So that's the today's session friends. I hope you enjoy this session, and also I am requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session friends.